In this powerful video, we are going to look at how to build a crypto portfolio. I know this is the most asked question right now. Many beginners are asking possible ways they can grow their crypto portfolio. In this video, I have the secret sauce and the secret ingredient to how you can start building your crypto portfolio from scratch. This is going to be a step-by-step video that will guide you on how to start building your crypto portfolio. The crypto market is expanding by the day, and people are rushing into this liquid market in order to make the most out of it. And I don't want you to believe aside, because this is a market everybody want to tap into the oil well. And this video will be one of the best video you will ever watch on how you can build a crypto portfolio. And there's one thing I want to tell you about FOMO. It's called FOMO, the fear of missing out. And I don't want you to miss out. I always want you to always stick around to watch my videos to the end, because my video is packed with punch, with heavy information and a step-by-step guide in order to be successful while investing or trading in the world of crypto. Like the way crypto is expanding, we also want you, or I also want you to expand to get the right knowledge when it comes to crypto investment. And if you think this is the right video, there's one thing I want you to do for me. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video, because it's going to help me a lot. Guys, please stick around and make sure you watch this wonderful video to the end, because if you leave so early, there's no doubt you are going to miss the main information in this video. So stick around and make sure you watch this wonderful video to the end. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I am here to share useful information with you about how to grow your crypto portfolio, or how to set up or how to maintain your crypto portfolio. All I want you to do right now is to make sure you stick around and make sure you watch the video to the end. If today's the first time you are seeing me, my name is Joseph Benson. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification for all notification. In case I have a brand new video just like this one, of course you will be notified. Remember, when it comes to like, make sure you either drop a like or you can drop a dislike. It's all up to you. And don't forget to also share this video with family and friends. I will appreciate that a lot. Welcome to Joe Crypto Trend. In this very particular channel, we talked about crypto investment, how to invest your money step by step, either by using an investment plan or maybe using a possible indicator on MT4 and MT5, and also TradingView. This is the right channel because we discuss that almost every single day. This is the major reason why I always ask you to make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell for all notifications. The crypto market is fast exploding, and today's video is going to be on how to grow your crypto portfolio. Honestly, the crypto market is expanding, and there's a huge potentials, or there's a huge opportunity for return on investment. Every single crypto investment mostly come with a huge return, and there's something I call FOMO, F-O-M-O, the fear of being missed out. Most of you are always procrastinating when to start crypto investment and so on. This is the major reason why we always tell people to stick around to make sure to watch the video to the end, because we are guiding you on when to start and when to invest your money. The truth about the whole thing is that if you are watching this video right now, that simply gives you an idea. This is the best time to start investing in the world of crypto. You can either invest with a company, which is sometimes a little bit very risky, or you can start trading the crypto yourself via some platform on Binance, on Nowens, on BitUnix, on Bybit, and so on. The crypto market itself, it's 100% very, very vast, very, very liquid, and people are rushing into it on a daily basis. There's a huge return when you invest into the world of crypto. Always keep that in mind. When it comes to investing into crypto, you need to do yourself a favor by diversifying your portfolio. Honestly, sometimes I don't like to put all my eggs in one basket. When it comes to building your crypto portfolio, during crypto investment, diversification of your portfolio or maybe your investment is very, very important. It is good to spread your tentacles across multiple platforms. Make sure you don't invest in one particular platform. Putting all your eggs in one basket, if the basket fall and smash, all the eggs will be smashed. That simply means if you invest all your money with one particular crypto broker or exchanger, if anything happen, your complete investment will be lost forever. Crypto is not like like normal currency investment, because if you invest your money sometime, or maybe someone get access to your account, they can easily trace where the money went to. But in the case of crypto, if you lose your money or somebody have access to your account and move away all your crypto coin, there's not going to be trace whatsoever. This is the major reason why you need to learn how to diversify your portfolio. Make sure you don't keep all your eggs in one basket. Very, very important. I want you to understand the risk tolerance. If you don't understand the risk tolerance and knowing what to invest, I'm talking about risk management, you're going to be losing the whole thing, because risk tolerance is very, very important as a trader or maybe a beginner who is just getting started. You need to keep all this in mind. Now, do not invest in the world of crypto with amount you can afford to lose. If you know you can afford to lose a particular or a certain amount, I will not advise you to invest that money into crypto market. I am not a crypto expert. I am someone with information that I'm just sharing with you in this video. Whatsoever happened to your investment, keep that in mind. I will not be held responsible whatsoever, because crypto market is a very liquid market and it's super risky. You could either lose your money based on market fluctuation, or anything can happen based on scam or hackers get access to your account. The crypto market is very, very risky, so keep that in mind. Make sure whatsoever you are doing it at your own risk. Keep that in mind. Today we're going to look at understanding the crypto asset. The crypto itself has a lot of asset, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to LTC, which is Litecoin, to Solana, to so many of the NFTs. Those are some of the assets I think you need to know. The Bitcoin is there, very, very important. It's one of the strongest cryptocurrency out there. We have the USDT, we have the Ethereum, we have the Solana, we have the Litecoin, we have the NFTs, even stablecoin. There's so many of them, because as the day go by and the world is fast advancing and technology is coming in almost every single day, there are a lot of crypto being introduced on a daily basis via airdrop. Honestly, I want you to know that there are tons and tons of cryptocurrency you need to invest your money. But not all the cryptocurrency you see worth investing your money on. This is the major reason why you need to stick around and watch this video to the end. Because if you leave so early, there's no doubt you are going to miss the juice in this video. I want you to give me your 100% attention, because I still have more to share with you in this video. Every single cryptocurrency have its own characteristics. Bitcoin, which is the BTC, has its own characteristics, and the same thing with USDT, the same thing with stablecoin, the same thing with Litecoin, which is LTC, and so on. Even the NFTs, they have different characteristics, and I want you to always study each coin, because if you don't study each coin, you will not understand exactly which one to invest your money on. And I want you to, when investing your money, just simply because you want to build your portfolio, I want you to study every single asset individually. If you study every single asset individually, that will give you an idea, like a loophole, like a secret on understanding when and how to invest your money, and when you think it's enough to pull out your money and take your profit home. The idea of the whole thing is that once building your portfolio, you always want to make profit at the end of the day. This is where my help come in play. If you want to make money investing on crypto market, there's this wonderful indicators I always use while trading the crypto markets. They are 100% good indicators that you can apply on your MT4 and MT5, and you can make money trading crypto market very, very simple. These indicators are super powerful. They will show you exactly when to enter the market and when to exit the market. It's all up to you to learn how to possibly use this indicator to your advantage and make the most out of it. This is the major reason why you always need to pay attention. We're going to look at building a diversified portfolio. While building a diversified portfolio, many things need to come in mind. Define your investment goal and risk appetite. This is something I want you to know. If you don't define your investment goal and risk appetite, this is where you'll be facing a lot of challenges on the way. But if you understand and you develop your investment goal and your risk appetite, you will understand what I am talking about. If you do that, that simply means you'll be on your way to making a whole bunch of money. The truth about the whole thing is that you need to understand risks. If you apply all these risks, you begin to understand step by step what you need to do. And if you have investment goal, it is a point where you need to know that, hey, it's enough. You understand when it's enough for you to stop trading and to have your profit and go home safely. I also want you to allocate your fund across different assets. Let's say you have $5,000 to invest into the world of crypto. I don't want you to invest all the money on Bitcoin. This is another secret when I use auto invest features of Binance, or I use auto invest features of Bybit, and so on. Many platforms have auto invest. This will be a video for another day because I'll show you what auto invest is all about and how I make profit from it on a daily basis. It's something that everything is being done for you automatically. All you have to do is to set it, forget it, and always come back and check what is happening with your investment. Now, allocating every single fund to different assets will help you a lot. In case one asset have a serious downtime, others will be in profit and you will be making money from another part. Let's say I have $5,000 to invest, and I don't want to invest $5,000 only on BTC USD or only on Bitcoin. I have to invest like $1,000 on Bitcoin. I will invest maybe $500 on Solana, and I will invest $1,000 on Ethereum. I will go ahead and invest $500 on stablecoin, and I will invest another $500 on Litecoin, and so on. By the time you allocate different funds on different assets, you find out that diversifying your portfolio pays out. And this is where you begin to have an idea of how high return will really help and upscale your investment altogether. Another point I want you to keep in mind is using portfolio strategy. If you use portfolio strategy, you understand how to maximize risk and have a very good return on investment. Using portfolio strategy can come in a different format. Risk management, remember, is part of it. And also use of indicators and strategies using MT5 or MT4 are also part of it. This is the major reason why I always tell you, you need to subscribe in order for you to always get or stay informed while watching this very particular channel. Investment strategies and tactics. This is another point I want you to write down. Please always write those points down because it's going to help you. Investment strategy and tactics. Investment strategy come in a different way. Just like the way I said the first one, you can easily apply the use of indicator on a daily basis and maybe trading on MT4 or MT5 depending on what your broker offer. You can do that, and using strategies, maybe indicators, would kind of skyrocket the way your return on investment is going to play out for you, or maybe for your favor, or maybe on your favor, right? And also there are other plans that you can use, that you can also do a possible investment with other brokers or companies, and that is also very, very good. And at the end of the day, the goal here is to make sure you make money and live your life just the way you want it. Keep that in mind. The last point here is maybe safeguarding your crypto investment. If you don't know how to safeguard your investment, this is going to be a serious problem for you. Safeguarding your investment will help you identify, or maybe help you know how to keep your crypto investment safe, keeping your wallet safe, because there are a lot of scammers and hackers out there. Once your information, maybe your key phrase leaked out, they can easily access your account without needing your password. They can access your account and do away with your complete invested amount of money. And this is the only reason why I don't want to. This is the major reason why I don't want you to play with safeguarding your investment. Make sure your investment account, you have two-step authenticator from Google or from Microsoft. Make sure you add it to your investment platform. And without your Google authenticator, someone can have access to your account. Make sure you always keep those in mind. If you don't safeguard your investment, all your effort will be in vain. And I pray it won't happen to you. Make sure you learn all those things. And if you have any comment regarding this very particular video, you can take your time and let me know in the comment section below. And I will be very, very happy to answer every single question you have. Don't forget to always like, subscribe to this channel, share with family and friends. It will help me a lot. With the look of things, this will bring me to the end of the video. I want to appreciate you once again for sticking around to watch this video to the end. Don't forget, I will leave a powerful video here. And I want you to watch this video. Is packed with a lot of information. Make sure you watch this video and like the video, and also share with family and friends. It will help me a lot. Thank you for your time. I will see you guys on the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.